Do not use this device in restricted areas with specific fire or explosion risks. Do not work on floors with combustible materials such as wood or plastic. Remember to clean up the area thoroughly before working. Define a working area so that the nose of the gun is always at least 1.5 meters inside it. Prevent access to this area during use. Make sure there are no leaks at the connections and inspect the hose. Always keep a suitably sized and appropriate fire extinguisher to hand. Do not wear easily flammable clothing made of nylon or similar. Wear heat-resistant gloves during use. Strictly monitor for a duration of at least 2 hours after shrink wrapping to prevent fire from starting. Check that the pressure regulator fits the gas cylinder properly.